Good morning, student. I am Srikant Sharma with your new chapter of Geography, class 10, that is Minerals and Energy Resource. Student, this chapter is very important for your 2021 exam. Student, you know, first of all, what is the importance of mineral? Student, the important question for you, that is minerals are indispensable part of our daily life. Support this statement with suitable examples. This is also previous question of 2016 annual exam. Student, minerals are very important for our daily use, just like as example toothpaste. Toothpaste is components of silica, limestone, phosphate, mica, etc. Student, for our second point, for our economic activity, minerals are important. All type of industry like cement industry, metallic industry use minerals as a raw material. Student, our many food supplements also have components of minerals. Our body also wants minerals in food supplements. So minerals are very essential parts of our daily life. Student, you know, your earth crust is formed by many type of rocks, and these rocks are formed by many types of minerals, just like hematite, magnetite is mineral. This is iron ore, but in natural form it have many other elements like silica, limestone, etc. Student, minerals and rocks both are different. All rock have minerals. जितने भी चट्टान हैं वो मिनरल से ही बने हैं, but under rocks the ratio of minerals are different. But in mineral the internal structure of minerals are fixed. So come on, first of all, you know what is mineral? What is mineral? Definition of mineral. Student, homogeneous natural occur substance. Homogeneous naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure are mineral. Under this definition, homogeneous, natural, occurring substance with a definable internal structure. All minerals are present in our earth crust. They are homogeneous and have definable internal structure. इसको जरा ध्यान से देखो. Definable internal structure. Student, you know, graphite and carbon both are carbon, but they have different type internal structure. In graphite, all carbon atom bounded by other 3 carbon atoms, and also you know, in outer orbit carbon have 4 electrons, so 1 electron is free. So graphite have इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर टेंडेंसी. यहाँ देखो, ये ग्रेफाइट के प्रत्येक कार्बन दूसरे 3 कार्बन से बने होते हैं और कार्बन की बाहरी कक्षा में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका फ्री हो गया और इसके कारण यह इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर नेचर दिखाता है. लेकिन कोल का जो कार्बन है वो दूसरे 4 कार्बन से बंधे होते हैं. Each bonded by other 4 carbon elements. So have not this type of structure. So have not free any electron. So coal have not electric conductor activity. This type each mineral have definable internal structure, not only coal. Each mineral have internal definable structure by luster, by color, by hardness. They are different from each other. As then common difference between minerals and rocks. Rocks are combination of homogeneous substance. Limestone consists of a single mineral, but granite, basalt have many different minerals. Student, at present over 2000 type of mineral classified. If you have geography book, then open page number 51, first para, last sentence. Do underline. All through do underline over 2000 minerals have been identified? Student, geography and geology both have interest in mineral, but the aim of study of geography and geology both are different. The aim of study of mineral under geography is economy, means mineral they are economically used where is found. What is the amount of this type of minerals? But in geology, what is the cause of formation of this mineral? In which period, geological period this is formed? This type of scientific study under geology and economic study under geography. Come on, next topic, that is classification of mineral. That is classification of minerals. Come on. Student, mineral classified in three groups. Minerals classified in three groups. First, metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral, and energy mineral. Mineral who gives metal, that is called non-metallic mineral. Mineral who used to generate power, energy, that is called energy mineral. Like coal, petroleum, natural gas. Metallic mineral who gives metal, just like bauxite gives aluminium, hematite, magnetite gives iron, that is example of metallic mineral. But one another non-metallic mineral means mineral that is not metallic and nor energy, that is non-metallic mineral, just like limestone, silica, dolomite, mica are example of this type of mineral. Student, metallic mineral is also divided in three subgroups. Metallic mineral is also divided in three subgroups, that is ferrous mineral, non-ferrous mineral, and precious mineral. Iron, manganese, nickel, cobalt are called ferrous mineral. Ferrous means iron. Because the main use of this type of mineral under formation of iron and steel. Non-ferrous mineral means copper. Non-ferrous metallic mineral means copper, aluminium are example of this type of mineral. Precious mineral like gold, platinum, silver, etc. Student, our next topic is where are big minerals found? Write here a question. Where are these minerals found? Student, this topic is very important for your 2021 annual exam. Listen. Previous year question. Explain the formation of bauxite. Explain the formation of bauxite and name the metal obtained from this. This question, this is in 2014. 2014. Next year, explain any three different forms in which minerals generally occur. 2012, 2018. 2018 supplementary. Next, how do minerals occur in sedimentary rocks? 2015. So, this topic is very, very important. आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चन इसी वीडियो में लास्ट में दे दिए जाएंगे ना। आप लिखे तो ठीक, नहीं लिखे तो फिर लास्ट में सारे क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे ईयर के साथ लिखकर। ठीक, स्टूडेंट, generally minerals are formed in 5 stages. First, in igneous rock. First, in igneous rock, they are formed in a form of lords and veins. Suppose that this is a bed of igneous rock. This is a bed of igneous rock. Under this type of rock, minerals generally form in cracks of these, under cracks of these, as well as cavities of these. Student, look here. Suppose that this is mineral, this is also mineral found in cavity of igneous rock. Suppose that this is also mineral formed in igneous rock. The big deposit is called lords and a small and thin deposit is called veins. Write here a question. Write the difference between veins and lords. Write the difference between veins and lords. The small occurrences are called veins and the large are called lords. Student, generally major metallic mineral like tin, copper, zinc and lead are found in these types. Second, in sedimentary rock. This is very, very important. In sedimentary rock, many type of minerals generally formed. In sedimentary rock, many type of minerals formed. Look here. Suppose that this is mountainous area. by rain, the upper layer of rock easily erased, that is soluble in water and flow with water. But other substance, they are also erased but not soluble in water. They are also fell down in the bottom area of mountain as well as in sand of rivers, as well as in sands of river. This type of deposit is called placer deposit. This type of deposit is called placer deposit. Student, the main mineral they are found in this type are gypsum, potash, and other many. Student, suppose that the soluble part who joins many rock are disappear from here. Then the rock by the slope fell down and come on in the bottom of mountain. In this form, generally bauxite form. Bauxite. Student, leaving a residual mass of weathered material. Leaving a residual mass of weathered material forms bauxite. This is third formation type of mineral. And next, in next video, thank you, but come on in important question. This is your important question. So you do write after pause video. Student, this is also your homework. This is also your homework. Thank you.